guys, it's Bex here. Welcome or welcome back. So today's video I'm going to give you a breakdown of the things you need to do lashes. Whether you're doing it on a doll or doing it on a person, this is the video for you. I will show you some of the products on the screen so you know what it is, and also I have made a list on Amazon. These are things that I've tried out myself or some I'm wishing to try out, so they are on my personal list. But get a pen and a pad and keep listening. And the first one is eye pads. You need these to start lashing, and this is where you're going to map out the lashes as well with the numbers. You need eyelash combs. Those are a must because throughout the whole thing you want to start combing it out and make sure the lashes don't stick together, and you can use the same lash wand to give your client to go home with. You need small micro applicators, surgical tape, tissues. Please have this on hand. You need tweezers, at least 2, the isolator and I forgot the name. The most you'd actually need is 4, just because if you're seeing people back to back, you want to have backup. If you're starting out, the extra tweezers are mainly for when one falls, you use that one. That is still clean, so you're not faffing about, you're actually doing it quickly and you're more professional as well. You need scissors, eye makeup remover, non-oily. Do not use anything oily on your client because that just means that the lashes are just going to slip right off the moment you finish your good work, so don't do it. You need a thermometer. This is to tell the humidity and the temperature in the room because you need it at a certain level to achieve good lashes. You need a fan. The fan, obviously, it's in the name. You need a waste pedal bin, I'd advise, just because you're not wanting to touch the bin all the time that you need to use it. You need nice eyelash glue. I'd advise the black one or the clear one. These are really good from what I've researched and experienced. I felt like when I worked with the clear glue, it worked so much it dried so much faster than with the black glue because I wasn't sure. I couldn't tell the consistency either, so it was a whole thing. So you need eyelash extensions, you need different ones, of course. If you want a separate video for that, we can get into detail. Leave it in the comments below and I'll do that for you. But for now, just stick to something that you can practice with, in a sense where you can get, let's say, a mixed pack where you can start to know the different lengths, different curl patterns, and also just how they would look like if you practice it on a doll or on a person. But that's my best advice, to get a mixed one for practicing. You need a mirror, so you need 2. One mirror is this one here and the other mirror is this one here. So the difference is, one you can give your client to look at from afar and they can see both lashes when they're done, and the other one is for you to look at when you're working on the lash. And eyelash primer and eyelash bond, so these are hit or miss. Sometimes you may need it, sometimes you may not need it, so it's not really essential if you're starting out your journey. I'd advise just getting used to doing lashes without relying on a primer or a bond. Lash bath and water. So you need a mannequin head. I use this to practice. I have done a video of my review on it. Check that out. I'll put the link up here somewhere. If not, in the description as well. So check that video out and it will give you a breakdown of the mannequin head that I have. You need glue storage. This is to keep the glue into good consistency and just so it doesn't dry out when it's out into different temperatures of your room, house, whatever. So it's just to keep it cool, basically. You need artificial light. This is basically so you can see clearly when you're working, it's really there. You want to make sure you know what you're looking at, and especially when you're working with someone's eyes, you want to be very careful and see everything. You need an equipment trolley. This is to obviously store everything that you need. I would use the top shelf for the stuff that you want to keep going back and forth to, instead of putting it on a desk far away. But with the trolley, it's going to be right next to you. You can just pick things out. and so stuff like the water. So you need a lash bed, couch cover, and disposable bedroll. Obviously these are important for when someone's laying down, and you know, just a nice little setup, more professional than just someone laying on a sofa. It's not as comfortable. And obviously with that comes the neck rest as well, the neck pillow. You need a stool or a chair that you can adjust the back, because baby, your back's gonna be straining by the end of it. So make sure you have a nice comfortable chair or stool. You need clean towels on hand. You also need aftercare advice cards. These can be found on Amazon. I will try my best to look for them. At the time I'm recording this video, I haven't found any like nice ones on Amazon yet, but if I do, I will add it into the Amazon link. Also you need masks, because you're going to be so close to someone. You might want to just protect them from your breathing, and you know, yeah, these are all the things you need to start lashing. Was this video helpful? Did I miss anything? Please let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.